Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to convert a URL or web page into a PDF. This is useful when we want to save online content for offline reading or sharing. If we are on a computer and want to convert a URL, we first need to open the URL we want to save. For example, let's say we want to convert youtube.com into a PDF. We simply right-click on the page, then click Save as PDF and choose where we want to save it. In this case, we are using our YouTube link as the URL. Once that is done, we just double-click the file, and now we have it saved on our computer as a PDF. It really is that simple to save a URL as a PDF. This method lets us turn any website into a PDF using built-in print tools or online converters, so we can access it anytime without needing an internet connection. And that is all there is to it. We now know how to convert a URL into a PDF.